David St. Romain, and I'm from Baton Rouge. And all we do is laissez les bon temps rouler.
On behalf of the citizens of Baton Rouge, we'd like to name this day your day. You make us proud, my friend. God bless you.
It's me and the microphone, and I'm gonna bring it.
It's your boy Lemoyne, downtown Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'm at the Root House. I got my man David St. Romain. What's up, baby?
Happening, baby?
It's you, man. It's been a long time, huh?
It has been a long time.
Hey, last
Too
time
long.
we was in the studio together, I still got that cut.
Dude, I want to hear it.
I still got it.
It's been too long.
It's been too long. Look, David, man, you're going to be performing at the Root House tomorrow night, right?
That's right. That's right. I'm taking care of business after the Miranda Lambert concert.
Check it out. Your boy Lemoyne, I got tickets for you. David, can I get some tickets?
Holla at your boy. Oh, yeah, I'll help you out. You know how it is.
The ladies, fellas, you gotta come check it out. When David St. Romain's name is mentioned, the ladies be in the house. That's where I'm gonna be at, son. Sorry about that. The interview. So, David, your success on the Billboard charts, I checked it out, man.
Well, you know, we had a little bit of success. It ain't much yet. We're just trying.
Hey,
Trying to
he's
make it
being
happen.
modest. Don't listen to this, man. He's being modest. I saw it topping the Billboard charts, number 64. Tell him about the song.
Well, it's called 20 Years Late. It's a song that called 20 Years Late. It's a song that is about mama. It's about taking care of business at home and thanking the person that raised you and just, you know, bringing it back to real, man. Bringing
You
it back
see?
to family.
Gratitude. Not only is the man a big-time country singer, but he's also a preacher. So
I don't know. Hang on a second. I'm glad we're
I don't know.
underneath the sun.
We good. We good, right?
Because I've been
Long
saying
as
my
we good.
prayers. Because Lord, I don't
Hey.
want to get struck down.
I
by
know that's
lightning.
right, man. So what else? What's next for David St. Romain?
Well, we are working on the next project. We have a new single coming out. I'm really excited about it. It's called Some Things, and just getting ready to launch the next 2012 and make it happen. But I'm doing a bunch of other stuff, some charity work. I'm providing the music, writing the music for a children's book that we're going to distribute into children's hospitals across the country, starting with Atlanta. And you know, there's just so many great things. I'm starting a foundation with a great guy here in Baton Rouge, and for neglected and abused children. I'm really trying to step up my thing and what, you know.
Hey, y'all better get ready for this. I'm telling y'all, David St. Romain is going places. The man has been on tour. Weren't you at the award show just recently?
I was a couple weeks ago. I went to the ACM Honors Awards. It was awesome. Got to walk the red carpet for the first time. I was like, what? Check me out. What?
Oh, they taking pictures. They getting pictures.
Go left, go right. No, I got invited to attend the ACM Honors Awards. It was really great. They honored some of the old classics of country music.
Right.
Just excited to be a part of country music, man.
Hey,
be a
that's
part
right,
of music in Baton Rouge in this area. You know, there's not a lot of country music artists here in this portion of the country, but it's really great to be able to support Baton Rouge, support this great state of ours, and
Yes,
keep
indeed.
rocking and rolling, baby.
Louisiana, Baton Rouge, baby. My Scene TV, your boy Lemoyne, my man David St. Romain. Before we get out of here, David, if anybody wanted to get in touch with you, how do they book you?
Well, DavidSt.Romain.com. See it on your screen, I'm sure.
It ought to be on the screen. You see it down there? I don't see it.
I think, yeah.
Wait, Kid. Oh, yeah. Kid better do his thing, man. The boy Lemoyne, one more time.
We love
David
you,
St.
Kid.
Romain, My Scene TV. We out, baby.
Thank you.